Avoid food and fruits for joint pain. Arthritis is a condition characterized by inflammation of the joints, and diet can play a role in managing its symptoms. While there is no one-size-fits-all approach to diet for arthritis, some foods are generally considered more likely to promote inflammation and may exacerbate arthritis symptoms in some individuals. Here are 6 inflammatory foods that are often recommended to be avoided by people with arthritis. Processed and fried foods, foods high in trans fats and saturated fats, such as fried foods, processed snacks, and commercially baked goods, can promote inflammation. These fats can trigger an inflammatory response in the body, potentially worsening arthritis symptoms. Fried items also increase cholesterol and uric acid, which causes severe pain in joints. Sugar and high glycemic carbohydrates, high sugar foods and those with a high glycemic index can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, leading to inflammation. Avoid soft drinks, candy, pastries, bakery items, and foods made with white flour, and opt for whole grains and complex carbohydrates instead. Red meat. Here I suggest that red meat, particularly processed and fatty cuts, can contribute to inflammation. Consider replacing red meat with leaner protein sources like poultry, fish, or plant-based options like beans and salad. Uncooked vegetables are always good for health, like carrots. Dairy products. Dairy products can be problematic for some people with arthritis. Some individuals may have dairy sensitivities or allergies that can trigger inflammation. It's worth trying dairy alternatives like almond milk, soy milk, or coconut milk to see if they are better tolerated. Otherwise, just take dairy products in limited consumption. Nightshade vegetables. Some people with arthritis find that nightshade vegetables, including tomatoes, potatoes, peppers, brinjals, and eggplants, can worsen their symptoms. However, this is not the case for everyone, so it's important to monitor your own body's response to these foods. Some people suit these vegetables, but often some people don't suit them and have pain in their joints. Alcohol and excessive caffeine. Alcohol and excessive caffeine intake can contribute to inflammation and may interfere with sleep, which is crucial for managing arthritis symptoms. Alcohol is worsened for health. It's important to note that the relationship between diet and arthritis is complex, so always notice which food doesn't suit you. Salads is joint pain, and not all individuals will have the same dietary triggers. Some people with arthritis may find relief by avoiding these inflammatory foods, while others may not notice a significant difference. Additionally, incorporating anti-inflammatory foods like fatty fish, nuts, seeds, and plenty of fruits and vegetables can also be beneficial for managing arthritis symptoms. Thanks a balanced diet and make a routine as well. Eat breakfast on time, then in the middle of the day eat salad as well. Which is really good in any case. Eating any fruit and vegetables has its own benefits. Raw vegetable broth cleans the blood, which is why we avoid joint pain. Eating of these vegetables gives relief from joint pain, such as broccoli, Spanish, ginger, sweet potato, and bell pepper. Arthritis pain is very severe. You should take care in your diet. Stay blessed always. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to my video.